Okay, let's start our coding. We type our coding here after main activity here. So 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So we start with we declare the variable that we need to use. So there is five text or button that we need to use here. 1 2 3 to 4. So 1 2 3 4 5. We don't need to declare this height, view, BMI status because this is for us to view only. So let's start. Start with private edit text. It doesn't matter if it's private or protected. It's up to you. Set height and copy it and the weight. And next private. This 2 is the input. This is the height, this is the weight. This 2 is the input. So you can put anything. You can put, because this is not put anything that easy to remember. This private. The third is button. US button, yes. Button calculate. Private. It doesn't need to be same name as our design. Test view. BMI. Private. Test view again for the status. Okay. Okay, next. After we have declared these 5, we need to make these 5 things to function. Okay, so next step is the height. We need to refer to this above this. Make sure it's the same name. Height equal bracket edit text find view by ID and r dot id dot. Okay, so this is the name that same with this, with our design, with this where to input. Where is it? No. Test view 1. Okay, this edit text. Oh, so this ID is too long. Let's make it short for easy to us to write the coding. So let's put it height. Easy to remember, right? Refactor. Okay, so this should be same with the font, right? Okay. So repeat it with the weight. copy, repeat, wait. Oh, wait. Okay, wait here. And next is the button calculate. Button equal button find view decorate r.id dot button. Why is button? Because this is the ID of this. See, the ID is button, so need to be same as this. And BMI make sure it's same with the above that. Text view find record r.id dot what is our BMI name? BMI this test view 5. Test view 5. Okay. Repeat with doing the status for the status. Okay. Status is test view 6. Okay, so we done finding the all those 5 variables. So next step is to make the button to work. What's our button? Is the calculate. So calculate dot set on click listener. Create new view on yes, view. Okay, so we have 2 input, right? So let's name our input number 1. Okay, declare our input first. Float input 1 equal float dot parse float height. Height is the what? It's the input ID. Dot get text. Right. Get text dot toString. Okay. Repeat this with the second input, which means is our weight. Just change the name input 2 and weight. Oops. Okay. And third, we declare a variable for the BMI, the result of the BMI. So let's name it calculate BMI. Equal, this is the BMI formula. So this is weight divided by height times 2, right? So input 2 is our weight divided by our height times 2. Let's make it height times height is the same. So this is our BMI formula. Okay, so when we have the BMI, remember we have the status also. So bracket, this bracket is for the BMI to know what is the status. So we need to use the if else statement. So if bracket calculate BMI is lower than 14, status, yes, status dot set test and it's under 14. That means we are underweight, right? Underweight. And else if our BMI that we have calculated is lower than 24.5, I mean if our BMI is between 14.1 and 24.5, that means we are normal. Okay. Oops. Okay, same status dot status normal. Next, else if BMI is under 30, that means we are overweight. Status dot status, we are overweight. And else if our BMI is more than 30, we are obese. We don't need to write the calculate BMI because is the only option that we have, because other is lower than 14 and then in the last one is lower than 30. So else, that means more than 30. Status dot set test obvious. Okay, I think we are done. There's some error here. Let's check. Where is it? Oh. Okay. We have one here. One here. This one here. Oh. Here. This one here. Here. Oops. And here. Okay, done. So let's try it out. Let it run. Installing. Okay, so there is no error with our coding. So let's say our height is 1.7 and our weight is 60. It's supposed to be normal, right? So calculate normal. Oh, BMI. Where is our BMI? BMI. Oh, I miss it. Sorry, my bad. Here. I miss our BMI here. Where is it? Okay, here. BMI. I forget to set the tags. BMI dot set tags. Cross string format dot format is percentage dot 2f. This is mean that our answer is in two significant figure. So this is, we should input the ID of the place that we display the BMI. So this is the place for us to display. Where is the ID? Is test view 5. So just write it, test view 5. Test view. Oops, sorry, not that. This is the answer. My bad. Calculate BMI. Okay, so let's run again. Apply changing. Installing. Okay. What? Who is my emulator?